You are watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Confidence Building 50 English sentences designed to build your confidence in speaking and learning English. Close your book, forget the rules for a moment. Let's talk real English. 50 Confidence Building English Sentences. Believe in yourself. I believe in myself. I can learn anything. I am strong and smart. I am a good learner. I trust my journey. I can reach my goals. I am confident today. I can do hard things. I am not afraid to try. I am proud of myself. Speak without fear. I speak with confidence. I speak English every day. I love practicing English. I can talk to new people. I don't fear mistake. My voice matters. I speak slowly and clearly. I can start a conversation. It's okay if I pause. I am improving every time I speak. Learn with purpose. I enjoy learning. English is fun to learn. I understand more every day. I am focused and ready. Practice makes me better. I learn from every lesson. I write new words daily. I listen carefully. I repeat to remember. I ask questions to grow. Stay motivated. I don't give up. I learn something new every day. I stay positive. I believe in progress, not perfection. My efforts will be off. I take one step at a time. I celebrate small wins. I will never stop learning. I am becoming fluent. I am on the right path. Daily reminders. I am learning English from my future. I will succeed. I can understand English movies and songs. I am not behind. I am growing. I learn at my own pace. I am getting better, not worse. I believe I can be fluent. My English is improving. I am a confident speaker. I am proud to be learn English. Tips to use these sentences. Read 5 every morning. Speak them in front of a mirror. Use them in writing or journaling. Turn them into daily affirmations. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, every word you speak brings you one step closer to confidence. Mistakes are not failures, they are lessons. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never be afraid to try. You are learning, growing, and improving every single day. Speak with courage, learn with passion, and trust your journey. Your English is not just getting better, your confidence is rising too. Keep going, and I shall see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and never stop believing in your potential. Every day is a new chance to grow stronger, braver, and closer to your dreams. Once again, thank you for watching full video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. See you in the next one. Never stop learning.